Take a ride in 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, keyless start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.